School districts across the country are putting plans into place to deal with the potential arrival of the coronavirus. It's a balance of reassuring parents and students without causing undue alarm. Good evening, everyone. I'm Scott Hackler.
And I'm Heather Armstrong. The Department of Health Services says there's a low risk for the coronavirus spreading through communities in Wisconsin. But globally, it's likely to reach a pandemic level. News 19's Marcus Arsvold spoke with health officials from the West Salem School District about their plans should the coronavirus cause them to close.
Nurse Beth Clemens says open communication is key when it comes to a health scare like the coronavirus.
The main concern is when we do have a lot of illnesses, how are you protecting my child?
The school district says they're protecting students by keeping public areas in the school disinfected.
We're wiping down frequently touched surfaces, door handles, the edges of desks, chairs, things that would get clean but maybe don't get the surface cleaning every day.
The school is being conscious of the coronavirus, but not paranoid.
We should not walk around like we have to be in fear. We don't know what the effects will end up being, so the unknown is fearful that way. We just have to have a plan and keep doing what we're doing.
Nurse Clemens says that the custodial staff works extra hard every night to make sure that the hand sanitized stations are full. That way students always have the opportunity to disinfect.
Hand hygiene, bar none, is the best thing that they can do.
What they cannot do is predict the future, but they can work with other health officials in La Crosse.
They would have plans that they have practiced over the years of what happens if we do have a mass outbreak of disease. So those plans have been developed, and they would be using those plans to go by if we do have an outbreak in our community.
If the La Crosse County Health Department requires the school to close, Clemens says the days missed would get made up.
We're just proactive that we're talking about it, and then in the event that we would have an issue with the COVID-19 here in our area, then at least we know that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing.
A practical approach to an unpredictable situation. In West Salem, Marcus Arsvold, News 19.
Now, again, the school doesn't want to alarm parents, but they're saying that parents should talk to their kids and tell them to use some common sense tips like washing their hands, cough into a tissue or their arm, and always keep their distance from others if they're not feeling well.